Want to change your username on Instagram, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram username. Now let's get started. To change your username on Instagram, open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap Edit Profile. Tap Username. Tap the X to clear your current username. Then type in what you'd like your new username to be. Your username has to be unique, so if someone else is already using the username you like, add an extra letter or number to change it up and make it your own. Once you've decided on a name, tap Done to save it. If you change your mind, you can change back to your old username within 14 days, or change it to another unique username whenever you'd like. After that, you can refresh your profile to see your new username displayed. That's all it takes to change your username on Instagram. Want to rearrange your profile grid? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.